Hi everyone, welcome back to the Thanh An Hair YouTube channel. I'm Alice, and if this is your first time here, welcome! This is the place where we celebrate all things beauty, confidence, and of course, natural hair. Today, I'm gonna show you 3 gorgeous, easy-to-do hairstyles for natural hair that you can rock every day, whether you're going to a wedding, a meeting, or just wanna feel like your best self. And the best part? I'll show you how to elevate these styles using Thanh An Hair's natural texture extensions, specially designed to blend seamlessly with your real hair. Whether you have curls, coils, or waves, we've got something for you. So grab your brush, your clips, maybe a coffee, and let's get styling. Let's start with the foundation, prepping your natural hair. For natural hair, moisture is everything. So before I style, I always spritz my hair with a light leave-in conditioner, apply a lightweight oil like argan or jojoba to seal in moisture, detangle with a wide-tooth comb, and stretch the hair slightly using heat on low or African threading, just to give it more length and flexibility. Now that our natural hair is soft, prepped, and stretched, it's time to add some volume and versatility with our Thanh An Hair clip-in extensions. Today, I'm using the AFRO Kinky Curly clip-ins in natural black. They come in different lengths and densities, and I love how they blend with my hair without looking added on. Clip-in tip. Always start from the nape of the neck and work upward. Use your fingers to blend the texture, don't overbrush, and don't be afraid to layer wefts for volume in specific areas. Let's move on to style number 1. This first look is a half up, half down puff. It's playful, fun, and super quick. Step 1. Use a rat tail comb to section off the top third of your hair, from temple to crown. Step 2. Lightly smooth the top using a soft boar bristle brush. We're not aiming for flat, just neat. Step 3. Secure the top section with the mini elastic or scrunchie. Don't pull too tight, we want to keep the texture visible. Now for some magic. I'm adding 1 or 2 clip-in wefts from Thanh An Hair underneath the top puff. This gives that extra fullness and bounce, especially helpful if your natural hair is fine or in recovery. Finish. Use your fingers to fluff out both the top puff and the back. Optional, add some edge control and lay baby hairs if you're feeling fancy. It's cute, casual, and Instagram ready. Our next look is a low-textured bun, a favorite of mine for formal settings or when I just want to look a little more put together. Step 1. Part your hair down the middle or side, whichever suits your face shape better. Step 2. Use a soft styling cream to smooth down the crown and brush hair into a low ponytail. Tie it securely at the nape of your neck. If your bun feels too small, no worries. That's where Thanh An Hair's Kinky Straight Wrap Ponytail comes in. Wrap it around your bun and secure with bobby pins. The result? an elegant, voluminous bun that looks completely natural. Pro tip: leave out a few curls at the front to frame your face.
We're basically going to create a mini ponytail and clip our extensions around that ponytail to then take our actual hair and wrap it to cover the extensions, creating a tassel pony. A little elastic. So it doesn't need to be super clean or anything, but this little ponytail is where we're going to start wrapping our hair extensions around. I'm going to start on the bottom. So rather than clipping them how you would if you were wearing your hair down, I'm going to clip them upside down so it does this, so that when we pull the ponytail into it, it sits properly. Until this. So I want to keep that half up and have just my little ponytail be on top there. Start adjusting these pieces. Okay, tighten it. And then this is where you can kind of start pulling out pieces to get it a little bit loose. And there's the tousled pony. Now, you don't want that hair tie showing. It's a formal event. We don't need that hair tie showing. So, trick. But what I do is I will take a one clip left. I will pop it underneath the pony and I'll kind of wedge it into the hair. And then I take the hair from that one clip left and I wrap it. And then at the end, I take a bobby pin. There you go.
And that's it for today's video. Which of the 3 looks would you wear first? Let us know in the comments. If you want more natural hair inspiration or tutorials like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Thanh An Hair for daily tips, styles, and behind-the-scenes content. Thank you for watching, and remember, your natural hair is beautiful. Thanh An Hair is just here to help you shine even more. See you in the next video. Bye!